Wow! Even before we get down all the stairs, I see incredible mirrors. Who would think that this is in the basement of an apartment building in Milan? This secondhand shop is already amazing. This shop is within the city of Milan. It's called Al Mercatino tra noi e voi. I'll put the name and address in the description box just below. I could not find a website address for them, but they are on Instagram and Facebook, and so are we. You can follow us both. Hi everyone, I'm Tammy. Welcome to Milan. Here on our channel, we go thrifting, antiquing, shopping, and we do small space organization and balcony gardening here in Italy. There are so many amazing things here, and I found the prices to be quite reasonable. They're not giving things away, but reasonable. There are many, many paintings. I couldn't even see them all. Some of them, even if you don't like the painting itself, the frame is worth the price. You don't always find good frames like these. Some of these chandeliers are so beautiful, and they're pretty reasonably priced for what they are. You would pay almost this price for a nice ceiling fan at Home Depot. You'll see a few examples of this type of furniture with intricate inlaid wood designs in this video. They can be found in different antique shops here and can be prohibitively expensive there. I've seen dressers of this type for 75,000 euros. If you're enjoying this video, please take a second to hit the like button. While you're down there, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when we publish new videos. The second room, yes, there's a second room, it was packed full of furniture of all kinds. And you see this guy, he was moving furniture in and out the whole time we were there. So you know, this stuff is not sitting around for a year. It's being sold really quickly. This apothecary cabinet is so adorable. I love the little ceramic labels on the drawers. With a little care, this piece would be truly incredible. This sweet little cabinet from the 40s looks like it may have been in a kitchen or possibly even in a sports club. You put the trash in the bottom. So cute. We'd love to know in the comments what your favorite things here are. Mirrors, furniture, paintings, lights. Oh, this bugle would be such a sweet Christmas decoration. This incredible marble top table is large, it's curved, it has intricate inlays, and it's only 400 euros. Incredible. If you enjoy vintage shopping, if you enjoy antique shopping, if you enjoy thrift shopping, you need to come to this shop. It's incredible. What a sweet, sweet little tea set. It was Bavarian. I just love the shape. There were just a few handbags and ties, not too many. Why, yes, maybe we did buy that cute blue floral tie. These collectible toys were a really nice little assortment. Not too many of them, but nice. I did ignore every single doll. If you want to see them, you'll have to come here yourself. There are many more vintage and antiquing videos here on our channel. Try this one, and thanks for joining us today.